Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to solve the problem that appears on X recently, which is it looks like you have turned off permissions required for this feature. Now, for this problem specifically, it's a very easy one, so don't panic, your account is not at risk, your device is not at risk, you will just need to give the app some permissions. So a quick explanation on why this is happening, it's because Twitter has been updated recently because of a law about the security of your informations and its privacy and whatsoever these things. And now you have to give it access again to use your camera or to access your gallery, microphone, etc. So click on go to app info, and then here you will find the allowed things and the not allowed things. So here in the allowed you have the camera if you want to go live or if you want to take a photo with your ex, and in the not allowed it doesn't have the permission to access your contacts, your location, microphone, nearby devices, phone, etc. So you will need to add, for example, access to photos, access to location, microphone, etc. If you want this problem to be gone. You can also try the web version of X if that doesn't work, or you can just try reinstalling the app. But don't worry, your phone is not at risk and your account is not at risk. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.